2 or 3 months ago, one of the things that I was just reflecting on was how do we bring the goodness of humanity back into our daily lives? And I was just looking around me and saying it's very easy for individuals to get swayed by just the negative events and narratives that surround them and things that are happening in the world. But one of the other things I saw was that there's a lot of optimism and change and desire for giving back in many young professionals. And I was wondering how we can tap into that a lot more. So we started about 2.5 months ago the People Volunteers program, which was an effort to just bring young professionals into the fold to try and see how that might work and what would motivate them. So I met many of them yesterday and was just so impressed by their dedication, by their commitment, and their appreciation of a lot of small things that they saw. And more than anything, just the reflection of that goodness back when they were speaking about their experiences. So we are going to share with you a couple of the stories that they shared. I hope you like hearing from them and it gives you cause for hope and positivity.
तो पीपल्स वॉलंटियर प्रोग्राम को ज्वाइन करने का जो मेरा मोटिवेशन है वो ये है कि मैं सेम कम्युनिटी से आती हूँ जहाँ से बच्चे आते हैं, तो मैं जानती हूँ उनके लर्निंग गैप्स, उनकी सिचुएशन जिसमें वो रहते हैं, और मैंने देखा है बच्चे जो हैं वो सीखना चाहते हैं, पढ़ना चाहते हैं, बट कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशंस होती हैं जहाँ पे उन लोगों को वो चीज़ें नहीं मिल पाती हैं.
It's the spark in the eyes of the children who feels lack out when they are not able to reach, when other childs are not able to compete with the par level.
When we choose the right work, then it itself becomes the motivation. Then you don't need any external factors or any other kind of motivation.
पीपल वॉलंटियरशिप प्रोग्राम के थ्रू हम एक ब्रिज की तरह बच्चों के साथ काम कर सकते हैं जिसमें वो अपनी लर्निंग गैप्स को अच्छे से फुलफिल कर पाएंगे.
एक होता है हमें बच्चों के साथ जो फियर होता है ना उसको कम करना चाहिए. अगर एक्चुअल में हम उस चीज़ को कम कर लेंगे तो बच्चे हमारे साथ वो रेपो बिल्ड कर पाते हैं और वो सीखने के लिए ज़्यादा इच्छुक होते हैं, लाइक जिज्ञासु होते हैं.
We really want to make this now into a much larger initiative for people. If you're interested, please apply to be part of the People Volunteer Program. Spread the word. This is something that I am very personally invested in, and I think it's going to help us create a movement that reminds us of all the goodness that lies within each one of us.